discuss about material control. In our previous video, we had discussed about material cost, the role of material cost in the total cost and its classification. Let's take a deeper understanding about the concept material control. Material cost constitute the major portion of the total cost and therefore efficient control should be ensured. Material control aims at reducing cost of materials and thereby reducing the ultimate cost of production. In other words, saving in material cost will lead to reduction in cost of production and improvement of profitability. Material control begins with preparation of purchase order and ends with effective utilization of materials. The main aim of material control is to provide ready supply of materials needed for production and at the same time avoiding overstocking of materials. That is, to ensure minimization of wastage, damage and loss of material. Moreover, material control also aims at purchasing of raw material of the right quality and to keep record of material transactions. Material control techniques include setting up of stock levels, just-in-time inventory system, bed analysis, ABC analysis, determination of EOQ, material turnover ratio, etc. All these techniques will be discussed in detail in our upcoming video. Material control relates to control over the purchasing, storing and issuing of materials. In other words, material control can be classified into purchase control, store control and issue control. Let's wind up for the day. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.